It's like percentage more means increase. So increase means new minus old divided by old times 100. So 100 is the so new is 150, 50. Old is 100 and divided by 100 times 100. So 150 is equals to 50. 150 minus 100, I mean, is 50 over 100 and times 100. The 100 divided by 100 is 1, and that's the 50%. Yeah, I think we need to use this formula. Increase and for decrease too.
Okay.
Alright. Next question is